Couple quick pointers when you're replacing the control board. Remove this hose, just give it a wiggle. You have to break the seal, that'll pop right off. It'll slide right back on, no problem, when you go to put it on the new board. You got the green connector. This you just grab right onto the green connector, wiggle it, and that'll pull right off. You can plug it back into the new one. This ribbon connector, if you got small enough fingers, you can kind of just grab it from the sides here, or if you need to, you can get like a little flathead screwdriver to just lightly pry up. You just got to wiggle it back and forth. That'll pop right out of there. And then the only other thing you got to be careful of is taking the wires out. Just make sure they all go back into their respective spots on the new board, and just tighten them down with a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. Oh, last thing. This ribbon, when you go to put the black cover back on, make sure this ribbon goes in between these two black tabs right here. You want it to sit right in there. If not, it could sit there or off to the side. It could get pinched when you go to put the black cover back on. So just make sure that that is sitting in between these two black tabs.